This is a sphere of plutonium about the size of a grapefruit. At Los Alamos, in 1945, it killed 2 of the men who worked on it 9 months apart. It was the 3rd bomb core ever made, built for a strike on Japan that never came. On its own, it was safe, but it sat just a hair below going critical. So physicists pushed it closer and closer, to measure how far they could go. They called it tickling the dragon's tail. August 1945. Harry Daghlian stacked bricks of neutron-reflecting metal around the core, each one nudging it toward a chain reaction. Then one slipped from his hand and landed on top. The core flared supercritical, a burst of radiation, a flash of blue light. He tore the brick off with his bare hand, but the dose was already fatal. He died 25 days later. 9 months later, Louis Slotin ran a bolder version. He held 2 halves of a beryllium shell around the same core, keeping them apart with the tip of a screwdriver, a trick so reckless that Enrico Fermi had warned him he'd be dead within a year. And then the screwdriver slipped, the shell snapped shut. A blue glow, a wave of heat, the taste of metal, the core had gone supercritical again. Slotin ripped the top half off with his hand and killed the reaction in an instant. His body had shielded the 7 other men in the room, they lived. He did not, dying 9 days later. Now the core had a name, the Demon Core. The Demon Core was never a bomb. It was quietly melted down and recycled into America's growing arsenal. But it changed the rules forever. After Slotin, no one approached a critical mass by hand again. From then on, the dragon was tickled only by machines, from behind a wall.